Hi there and welcome. Here's another Cubase tutorial for you all, where I'll be showing you how to use MIDI automation with the on-screen keyboard and pitch wheel for a cool effect I'm using in my latest project. But first, remember to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up if you enjoy this tutorial. It means more to me than you might think. To make this effect, I use the sampler track in Cubase. But first of all, let's just listen to the part I want to work on. Okay, go to add new track and add the sampler track. I'm just gonna call it sampler and add track. The sampler track is still kind of new to me, but as I fiddle around with it, I slowly realize how powerful a tool it is for shaping interesting sounds. To make this sound, I need a pad-like sound with a lot of atmosphere, so I decided to go with this sort of cinematic vocal pad. I go to the right zone and search for vocals in my sample library, and here I found this Voxscape. It's perfect. I drag and drop, and then, as you can see, here it is in my sampler track. Then I set the sample start to begin a bit later in the sample, so the pad begins immediately. As you can hear, there's a click sound when the sample is played, and to remove this click, I changed the attack of the sample just a tiny bit by going to the amp envelope and either dragging the point or clicking on it, and then typing in the amount of milliseconds you would desire. While we are here, I also changed the release time to 2000 milliseconds. Unclick the amp envelope and turn on the filter envelope. Cut off the frequency to 950 Hz to make the pad warmer by removing the high frequencies. I also set the resonance to 50%, which bring out some nice frequencies. Now go to the audio warp function and turn it on. Stay on musical mode and set the sync to tempo mode. This makes sure that the tempo doesn't change in case you want to play other notes than the root note. I just quickly want to let you know that you should set the root key to the note or key your sample is in to make everything easier. As you can see, the key changes on the keyboard in the lower part of the sampler track. Press Alt+K on Windows and Command-K on Mac to see the on-screen keyboard. Use either your mouse or the keys. To make this effect, click with the mouse on the note you want to play and start moving the mouse left and right to activate the pitch wheel. Now we're ready to record. Make sure the record button is on and record the part. Here we go. Perfect. That's it. To access the virtual keyboard, you can also go to Studio and click on Screen Keyboard. Let's listen to what we recorded. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. My name is Jonas from geekygearguy.com. Thank you very much for watching.